Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Pavoni espresso machine. You can see here I'm just testing the pressure. I have this extra pressure gauge on here just to show that the other gauge, the gauge on the machine is just a little bit off, about 0.2 bar. So let's go ahead and pull a shot. See, we get a nice shot of espresso with really good crema. And then let's go ahead and test the steam. Nice strong steam. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.